Hi everyone. So today let me explain about SCBA, breathing apparatus or self-contained breathing apparatus. Any emergency firefighters should go with the protection, that is firefighting suit as well as breathing apparatus. Now firefighters without SCBA or without firefighting suit, they cannot go for internal firefighting. Right. Now internal firefighting, two gadgets are very important. That gadgets are firefighting suit and breathing apparatus. Now let me explain breathing apparatus. Now this is called breathing apparatus, where you see three major components in this breathing apparatus. One is called air bottle or air cylinder we call. Second, the back plate and the face mask. Now this is air bottle or air cylinder which is filled with natural atmospheric air. The pressure of 300 bar. If you calculate in a liter, it will be around 1800 liters of air. Now here pressure 300 bar pressure air. It has a control valve and an outlet. Now this cylinder will be connected to back plate. Now back plate is injection molded and ergonomically designed, which will sit on the wearer comfortably, and injection molded. It is one piece mold and it has a straps which will have two shoulder straps, one waist strap and also cylinder strap. Now all this harness which is made up of blend of Kevlar material, or meaning this the material which will resist fire. This is a fire resistant material. Now this backplate also has the demand valve which will be coming to the wearer will breathe in, then will come from this demand valve, and it has a pressure gauge. Now pressure gauge will indicate the pressure of the cylinder. So, and also this marking which is can see inside, that marking is called luminescent marking, photoluminescent marking, and it has a reading from 0 to 300 bar. And also it has a warning whistle, meaning the pressure reducing to 50 to 55 bar, it will give loud and audible alarm so that we have to escape. So there is an escape time. So we get that alarm from this warning whistle. So this is the pressure gauge. Now this is called reducer. Now reducer will reduce pressure of the cylinder to the wearer approximately 8 to 10 bar. It's depend upon the breathing rate. So this is reducer. So this is all in the back plate. And also the major component, this is called face mask. A face mask is full face mask which has 5 head strap, 1 neck strap, and also the inner mask will cover the nose and mouth of the wearer. And that mask is made up of silicone material, and the lens is made up of polycarbonate material. So during firefighting operation, the set will be ready to use mode, or any safety gadget it will be in a ready to use mode. Now let me show you how to assemble this breathing apparatus. Now you should take the fully charged cylinder, place it on top of the back plate, and this back plate has a O-ring. You have to insert outlet to the O-ring, and this reducer will connect to the back plate of the cylinder. So the connection we hear this handle connection. So here when we use this connection, we use only hand. We should not use any kind of a tool, because in emergency you may not get tools, or the set may get damaged when I use tools. So this is how it assemble. The simple connection to the thread. So tighten completely, and the cylinder strap. So it has the cylinder straps. So again this strap is made up of Kevlar material, blend of Kevlar material. The connection here we call this is camel lock buckle. So simple connection, you just place this strap first, then lock this. So this is the way. Now this is ready. Now this is the way to assemble the breathing apparatus. Now firefighters, when we go for the firefighting operation, they will wearing a set. So there is a method called doning. Right. Now let me show you how to don this breathing apparatus. Before I go for the operation, let me show you how to don the apparatus. Now this face mask will be connected to demand valve. So the connection of the demand valve, preferably hold this face mask in the right hand, demand valve in left hand, the red latch facing towards your side, and gently you have to plug and turn anti-clockwise. You hear a sound click, meaning connected. So simple connection, that connection is called bayonet connection. Now to disconnect, you should pull the red latch and turn towards your side and pull. This is the way to disconnect. Now I'll show you how to don this. In doning, there are two methods of doning. One we call over the head method, second is coat method. A coat method, it's like normal how to wear a coat or a bag. That is a way, that is called coat method. Now one more method is over the head method. Now you can go with any method, It's all about your practice. Now let me show you this SCBA donning in over the head method. So you have to hold the SCBA backnet handle. So ensure control come on the top. So whenever you don't, or automatically goes to the bottom control. So hold the handles, put your two elbows inside the harness. You have to just be inside the harness and you have to release this. So this is the way to don. So this is called coat method, over the head method, and you can see the control reaching the bottom, and you have to adjust. So shoulder has a strap, so you have to hold the straps, shoulder straps, and you have to put your thumb inside and gently you have to jerk slightly down so that you can adjust properly. Now you try to feel, get the control on your hand, preferably the left hand. Now you have a waist belt and you have to adjust the waist belt. Connect the waist belt, tighten. So this is what on the set. Now this is face mask, full face mask. Connect the demand toward the face mask, the connection, bayonet connection, and you have to tone this. Now ensure that the cylinder is charged or not. So open the control valve anti-clockwise and read the pressure gauge. Now pressure gauge reading shows it towards the left side. Right. And now how to don? First don the neck strap, and it has a 5 straps, head strap. Just don the head strap. Ensure the inner mass sits in your nose and mouth. Top, it has a 1 strap. Pull the strap gently. The middle 2 and pull, and bottom 2 pull. Adjust your face mask properly and take a sharp breath. Start blowing the air. So this is called first breath activation. Now you have to protect your head. So it has a glass foot to cover your complete head. Take the helmet. For head protection, you have on the helmet, and put the chin strap and neck protection. Cover the strap. And finally, you blow the gloves. I'm ready for the firefighting operation.